Hello guys, welcome to MA Tutorials. This video is based on how to create Connect logo in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started.
Preview.
Before entering into the video, are you looking for a designer who can design logos, posters, business cards, UI/UX, and designing kinds of stuff? Then you are at the right place. Just go to fiverr.com/hmohammedathil or click on the link in description and get your designs now. Let's move on to the video. We need to start creating the logo. For that, create a new common artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Then press Shift plus F7 to open a line tab. Then select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and create a new rectangle with width and height 1366 and 768 pixels. Then change its fill to none and swap the color. After that, go to Align tab and align it to center. Then press Ctrl+2 to lock the selection. Then select the Type tool from the toolbar and type the text Connect. Then select the text and go to Fill. Change its color to white. Change its font to Montserrat semi-bold, font link in description. Then change its font size to 105 points. Then go to Align tab and align it to center. After that, select the Line Segment tool from the toolbar and draw a horizontal line. Then change its angle to 309.66 degrees. Place it on letter N to divide it. Hold the Alt key and drag it to right side and place it on second N. After that, select everything. Go to Object menu, click Expand, and click OK. Then go to Pathfinder tab and click on Divide option. After that, right-click the logo and ungroup it. Select the parts of N and delete it. Then select all the letter right side and move it. Finally, select everything, group it, and align it. And there we go, that wraps up the video. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.